Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to clean up data in Excel with Copilot. So today we are going to follow this basically mini article by Daniel Rufinski, which is a Microsoft member, and here it is how we can do it. So they are thrilled to announce that their new AI powered feature in Excel, Clean Data. With Copilot in Excel, you can clean data with just one click now. So clean data will detect and offer a solution for next inconsistency, number of format issues, and extra spaces. This feature is now available to Excel for the web users and will be rolling out to Windows desktop users in the upcoming months. Now, this article was in 2024, so now it's still available. It will be available now on the actual desktop. So how can we do it? So simply, select the Clean Data option in the Data tab of the ribbon or interact with the pop-up banner to get started. So as you can see here, so this is basically the actual data that we have. And here we have the actual Clean Data. So go to Data here, and you will have here this button that says Clean Data. So just by clicking on it, you are simply going to view it just like that. You will see that text inconsistencies instead of the same value. This feature seeks to identify unnoticed variations across similar values that could cause subsequent problems. For example, a column with a mix of uppercase or lowercase text in the cells, or says in a column containing differences in punctuations or diacritics. So Clean Data will look at these inconsistencies and will help you easily correct them. So here, inconsistent text, column B may have some inconsistencies. You can try replacing them with one of these variations. So Excel. So you choose what you really want, and simply just click on apply. It will be applied on everything. And the same thing goes for number format inconsistencies, and spacing removal. And yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the upcoming video.